videos about how to create a banner. You can create a banner really easily. It's free, it's quick, anybody can do this. Just follow the steps in this video. You're going to be a banner expert by the end of this video. Actually, the reason for this video is that I had to, or I should say I wanted to create a banner for Systeme. Systeme is a free marketing platform. My reasons for creating a banner is to promote Systeme, and you can create banners and promote your offers. Once you create a banner, you can use it on your websites or your blogs, and you can also use it on sites such as Easy Hits for You, Leads Leap, World Profit, IBO Toolbox, Facebook, Twitter, Post Banner Ad, Pinterest, Instagram, and so on. Before we get to how to create a banner, if this is your first time visiting this channel, first let me say welcome. It's great to have you here. Thank you for watching. I am George Pierce, and I create videos about making money online. If you'd like to work from home, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, and I'll send you an update whenever I make a new video. And if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income online, click on the first link in the description below, and I'll send you all the details. Getting back to our video, first thing we want to do is go to a site called Designer, and it's actually with a Y. It's DESYGNER.com. And it is a site that is going to allow you to create virtually any kind of a banner that you want. It'll do a whole lot more as well. The kind of banner that we're going to be creating is called a full banner. It is 468 by 60, and it's that's typical of a regular size banner. They say Designer will create any kind of banner. So if you want a square, a skyscraper, a large mobile banner, and so on, Designer will do it for you. Banners are like image ads, and they are very popular on media sites. And what we're going to do is we're going to begin with a blank banner. I want us to start with a blank banner because that way you can see how easy it is to kind of create the banner the way that you want to create it. The first thing we need is an image, and we can use a snipping tool in order to get that image. Now your computer should have a snipping tool built in. If you'll type in snip in your search box on your computer, that should give you access to your snipping tool. If you do not have a snipping tool, no problem. You can download one absolutely free. You can download an excellent snipping tool from freesnippingtool.com. To create your snippet, click on your snipping tool, click New, outline the area that you want to snip, outline the snip, click on Save or save the icon. Choose a location where you want to store your image, name your image, and save. If you like this video so far, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Turn that like button blue if you would. Thank you so much. Do that right now. I appreciate it. To go back to Designer, you will need to join Designer in order to be able to use it. It is free to join, and it stays free. And on blank, click on Start and scroll down to full. Click on Start and scroll down to full banner, which again is 468 by 60. Click on Add, and then click on the upload box. Click on the image that you want to upload. Click Open. Your image will appear. Hover over that image, click on the plus sign, size the image to fit, and you might notice that mine takes up about 2/3 of the space. And the reason is that I like to have a kind of a separate area for the call to action, because I want that call to action to kind of jump out. I want it to be obvious. That's why you see some blank space there. So the reason for the blank space is for that call to action, again, which I want to jump out. So let's add our call to action. In order to do that, click on Text, and then drag the text over to where you want the text, and you can add multiple texts. You can add more text than just a call to action. So let's add a call to action in this blank space. So click on text, and since we want the text to stand out, click on title. That's the larger text. Our text will appear, and drag it over. We want to drag it to where we want to place our text. And then change our text from title to click now, click here, take a tour, learn more details, and so on. The idea of our call to action is that we need to ask or tell our visitor what to do. Quite a lot of different options. We can change the font, we can change the size, we can add a typewriter feature, we can change color, we can add stroke. If you add stroke, and if you don't know what stroke is, it's kind of like an outline around your text. So if you had like white text, you'd outline it maybe in black. If you had yellow text, perhaps in black or red. And in order to make stroke work, you will need to click on two buttons. One is for your stroke to pick your color. Also, then the next button, the button that's next to it, you want to click on that because that's going to that's going to affect the size of the stroke. On your left, notice that you can add more images, more text. You can also add icons, you can add logos, you can even add videos. At the top right, you'll see a share button, and what this is going to do is going to give you a link to your banner. You also, of course, there's a download button. You will see untitled design. Be sure to name or title your design, and that's going to help you to be able to identify it. Next, I want to share with you a bonus, a surprise bonus. And the bonus is that Designer was going to do a whole lot more for you than just create banners. For example, if you want to create book covers, ebook covers, you want to create magazine covers, album covers, vision boards, weekly planners, price lists, menus, greeting cards, and more, Designer will do it for you. So congratulations, you're now a banner master. I'm going to ask you one more time to please do me a favor, and that is if you would hit that like button if you haven't done so already. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you again, and thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet, and that way I can let you know whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. I am rooting for you. Allow me to wish you much success, and I'll see you in the next video.